Gucererwo kwa mbeca cia kuhuthirwo ni arutwo mathukuru-ini ni undu ukoretwo ukihenga mihango ya mathomo mathukuru-ini, undu uria ministry yugite urahengwo ni riboti iria metereire kuma mathukuru-ini kumenya namba ya arutwo aria o thukuru iri nao. Kurumirira gucererwo guku, ministry ya githomo ni irutire county directors a githomo mukana makorwo maheanite namba ya arutwo mathukuru-ini mothe maria mari kaunti-ini iria marugamirĩire niguo thukuru ihote kwamukira kigina giki.
It is just a reminder, one major function of field officers is to submit correct data on time. And currently the data we are requiring, you are aware, we did away with NEMIS, now we have KEMIS.
Akiaria hindi ya kuhingura kigomono gia thiku igiri kia madirector 49 aria marugamirĩire githomo gikiro-ini gia county, afitha wa ministry ya githomo uria urugamirĩire mihango ya ukinyaniria wa maundu Nelson Sifuna augite ihinda-ini riri no arutwo milioni 2.6 mandikithitio mugaru na itanya ria arutwo milioni 3.2, akiuria arugamiriri aya a githomo makaunti-ini marutithanie wira hakuhi na mathukuru niguo gukinyaniria undu uyu mbere ya gatano ga kiumia giki.
Going forward, any decision, any projection that we do will be based on the data that is in KEMIS. That is why we are requesting, we started with the senior school and it is ongoing. We want them to accelerate to ensure all the learners are captured so that no child is left behind.
Hari gukinyaniria mathomo kuri arutwo aria mari na mawathe matiganite, Sifuna augite thirikari ni kuhe thukuru wa KISE wigiririki gukinyaniria mibango ya arutwo aria mari na mawathe na oho mathie guothe bururi-ini kuongania namba ya arutwo othe aria mari na mawathe niguo kugacirithia mathomo ma. Akiuga undu uyu ni uguteithiriria gubanga na kugaira mathukuru mothe mbeca. Murugamiriri wa thukuru uyu wa KISE Dagitari Norman Kiogora augite thukuru uyu utungatagira arutwo mari na mawathe gatagati ka 200 nginyagia 300 o muthenya.
Mainly to be sensitized on the devices that assist learners with challenges, the special needs. These are people who interact with the learners in the field. These are the people who have the data, and also in various forums they interact with the community and parents of these children.
We need to engage all the stakeholders as a matter of urgency to identify needs of the learners countrywide. And they said without doing needs assessment, it is not possible for the factory to be useful. And therefore, this meeting becomes very critical because the directors who are here are the ones with the students on the ground.
We are giving timelines so that they go and ensure by that time all the children have been enrolled in KEMIS, and where there are challenges we come in to assist.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Njoroge.